do is we want to remove this radical from the denominator. So what this skill is called is rationalizing the denominator. It's a skill used to remove the radical from the denominator of a radical expression. So what we're creating is a perfect square inside this radical, so we want to multiply this value by itself in order to create a perfect square in here, which would be the square root of 4. And we've done this before in our trigonometry unit, so this should be nothing new to us. So we're going to multiply the top and bottom by this radical of root 2. And when we do that, we just simply want to multiply this radical by root 10n, so this becomes a 4 root 20n over, this will become a 3 root 4 because I'm multiplying the 2 times 2. And now I want to simplify, so I'm going to break down my 20n to be a perfect square that can divide into that would be 4 times 5, and then we have times n. And then we're going to divide this. The square root of 4 is simply 2. Now I'm going to take the square root of my perfect square inside my radical. So the square root of 4 is 2. Remember, when I bring that outside of my radical, I'm going to multiply that value by the whole number outside. So square root of 4 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. I'm left with root 5n inside my radical. And then this is going to be all over 6. 3 times 2 is 6. And then finally, you want to look at your whole number values and see if both of those can be simplified further. And they can. We can divide both of these values by a 2. So my final answer would be a 4 root 5n all over 3. And that is how we divide radicals.